Hello, welcome to SAT Math Review. My name is Jonathan. We are discussing the College Board SAT Practice Test number 10, Section 4, Question 23, Subject Linear Equations. We have a table of pairs of values for x and y. We have a and 0, 3a and negative a, and 5a and negative 2a. Some values of x and their corresponding values of y are shown in the table above, where a is a constant. If there is a linear relationship between x and y, which of the following equations represents the relationship? Let's initially try this as a fill-in question in standard form and not consider our answer choices provided. Standard form is where x and y are on the left side of the equation. Since multiple xy values are provided, we use the slope-intercept form and the point-slope method. So the slope-intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. Now let's calculate the slope using the point-slope method. We can take any two pairs of values of x and y, take the difference of the y's, and divide by the difference of the x's. So we have 0 minus negative a divided by a minus 3a, and that's equal to a divided by negative 2a, which equals negative 1/2. That's our slope. Let's put that back into the slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 1/2 times x plus b. Now, let's plug in any of the three provided xy pairs to solve b in terms of a. Let's use that first pair, a and 0. So 0 equals negative 1/2 times a plus b. Now let's add a divided by 2 to both sides of the equation to isolate b. b equals a divided by 2. Now let's take a divided by 2 and put it into our slope-intercept equation. And we get y equals negative 1/2 x plus a divided by 2. And now manipulate the equation into standard form. Let's add x divided by 2 to both sides of the equation. We get y plus x divided by 2 equals a divided by 2. Now all we have to do is multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to isolate a, and we get 2y plus x equals a. Does that look familiar? Yes, it's answer choice A. And that's our answer. Now let's utilize the answer choices to help us solve the question. Let's take our first xy set of values and plug them in to see if one of the answer and only one works. Let's try a and 0. X equals a, y equals 0. So for answer choice A, we have a plus 2 times 0 equals a. That works. Answer choice B, we have a plus 2 times 0 equals 5a. That's not correct. A doesn't equal 5a, only when a is 0. Answer choice C, we have 2 times x, or 2 times a, minus y, which is 0, equals negative 5a. That's not correct. And finally, answer choice D, we have 2 times a minus 0 equals 7a, and that doesn't work. So A is correct. We saw that previously. And certainly choice A would have to work for the second and third sets of values. We see if x equals 3a and y equals negative a, that choice A does work. 3a plus negative 2a does equal a. And we see for the third pair of x and y, x equals 5a, y equals negative 2a. We see it works. 5a plus negative 4a does equal a. I hope you have enjoyed this analysis as much as I have. In the description section of this video, I provided resource links for the College Board SAT, practice tests, and answer explanations. Please continue with question 24 by clicking on the left side of the screen. Or review my SAT practice test number 10 section 4 playlist by clicking on the right side of the screen. And please subscribe to my SAT Math Review channel by clicking on the blue circle at the top of the screen. I'm actively rolling out new videos, so please be on the lookout for them. See you next time.